So hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. In this tutorial we will see how we can send data to another activity using intent. So without wasting your time, let's talk about today's topic. So before going to discuss and before going to create our application, you must have to know about guys what is activity and what is intent. So let's talk about what is activity and what is intent. So what is activity? Activity represents single screen with the user interface. Activity perform action on the screen. If you want to do any operation, you can perform with that, right? So what is activity? Activity means that everybody using a WhatsApp right now. So in this scenario, a WhatsApp have a three fragment, right? Chat, call, and contacts. So every fragment have one single screen. It's called nothing but activity. So like activity is a window or frame in Java, right? So I hope you understand what is activity. So let's go to another topic. What is intent? So intent itself means intention to do something. It is generally used in with a start activity. You can also communicate with each other activity, right? You can pass data to another activity. That's the thing we do in our program. So intent have a one method like put extra method. With the use of put extra method, we can send data to another activity. So when intent is used, so when we want to start service, launch activity, start a web page, when we want to dial a phone call, that whole scenario we will do with the when intent is used. So start activity, launch activity, start web page, dial a phone call, will with the whole scenario we will do with the help of intent. So without wasting time, let's go Android Studio. Let's go to Android Studio. So I hope you understand what is the intent. So now go to the open up Android Studio, close this. Now just open up Android Studio. Now just guys open up Android Studio, open it. As you can see guys, I already take two edit text for input and one for click event like a button, a simple button. And in background I will put my image like brunch. You can download this image, just write something like in Google Gurged background, right? So find that ID, find that edit text ID and button ID, right? So when you find that ID, just b dot do just b dot set on click listener for click event. So new on click listener. Now just convert edit text into string. So string name equals to string name equals to edit text 1, I mean object, ed1 dot get text to string. That will convert into to string. I mean edit text will be converted into string. So now just Control D, press Control D, that will copy your data. Now change name into mobile. Now change object name like edit2. That's it. Now if give it a if condition, if name dot equals means empty, mobile dot equals, do same again, and what does that mean? This double quotes is nothing but you can say empty space. When user enter nothing, I mean to say when user what that might mean, like a double quotes. Double quotes means empty space, right? So when user enter nothing into edit text, that will show you error. So that is equals. So just toast pass the message over here. You can write anything. Please enter something, something like this. Now close the double. That's it. Now do one thing more. In else part, pass this name and mobile number using intent. So just create object of intent, intent, intent equal to new intent. Now where and from, I mean main activity to show.activity, right? So main activity dot this, and now just create one more activity for displaying our data. So empty activity dot name it as, if you want to change name, show, then place as well as anything you want. Now go to the show activity show.xml file. Now delete all the padding over here. Delete all the padding over here. Now take two text fields for displaying name and mobile number. Drag and drop from properties. Sorry, drag and drop from palette. Now you can see here. Now take again large text for mobile number. Right, that's it. Now go to again main activity.class file. Now just pass the show activity.class, show activity.class file, show.class file. Now star activity, pass the intent object, right? Now we will now what we need to do, now we have to pass the data using intent or using put extra method. So we have to put that data into method. Intent dot put extra. Sorry guys, for my computer is very slow now. So intent dot put extra method, key and value. So what is key? Key is nothing but that it takes some data from that. You can also change name if you want. Now pass the string over here. Now same here to do now. Intent dot put extra again for mobile number. Intent dot put extra mobile and mobile. Now just go to the show.activity and find the text view ID, same just to do. Now go to the show.java file. The same thing you need to do, that find the ID of text view and find the object of text view. Text view T1, T2. It's up to you guys, whatever object name you want. So find the ID of T1, So guys, go to the show.java file, and guys, you can see that I find I create an object of TextView1 and TextView2, right? So find the object of TextView and find view by ID, that ID, and now find view by ID r.id dot TextView1, and now t2 again find view by ID r.id dot TextView2. That's it. Now we have to get that intent using get intent method. Intent equal to get intent. Now just convert into string, right? So name equals to intent dot get string extra method and pass the key over here, and now again create another string for mobile number m intent dot get string extra method for mobile, and now just set the data into text view, set text, and t2 dot set text, sorry, set error, set text, and pass the mobile number over here. That's it. We almost done. Our program is running fine or not. Application into emulator. You can also use the software which you want. As you guys can see, guys. So guys, we almost done our application. The next thing you can see, our application is running on emulator. So when I enter some data like Chirag in my mobile number, it will take some data into another activity using intent, as you know that. So when I hit send button, it will take some data from editText and it show my data into show.java file, or you can say show.activity file. So hit on send button. It takes some time for running. Sometimes it takes some time now. It depends on computer. Depend on computer how many RAM you have or something. Right? As you can see, our data is right here. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like, subscribe my channel, and see you in next lecture guys. Bye bye. You guys can see